Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your returns with Amazon detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your returns with Amazon, begin by gathering all necessary information regarding your purchase. Locate your order confirmation email or sign into your Amazon account to find the order details. Navigate to the Your Orders section to identify the specific item you wish to return. Click on the item and select the Return or Replace Items option to initiate the return process. Review the return policies for that specific item, as they may vary. Choose a reason for the return from the provided list to help Amazon understand your reason. After selecting the reason, click on Continue to proceed with the return request. Select your preferred return method from the available options, which may include drop-off locations or mail-in returns. If you choose a mailing option, print out the return shipping label and any required documentation. Carefully package the item, ensuring it is secure to prevent damage during transit. Attach the return shipping label to the exterior of the package. Drop off the package at the designated location or schedule a pickup, depending on your chosen return method. Keep the receipt or tracking information for your records until the return is fully processed. Monitor the status of your return through your Amazon account to confirm when it has been received and processed. Once processed, refunds typically appear in your account within a few days, depending on your bank or payment method. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth and secure return experience with Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.